This is the 2013 Alle Viole from Tenuta di Ceppaiano from the Tuscany region of Italy. This wine is a Super Tuscan. Usually when we're talking about a Super Tuscan, like in this wine, it is a Sangiovese, the indigenous classic grape of Tuscany, paired with French grapes grown in Tuscany and blended together. And it's going to give awesome balance like we've got in this wine. So all of that Sangiovese fruit is giving us sort of bright, expressive red cherry, cranberry notes. Then we're getting all this awesome dark fruit notes from the Merlot and Cabernet. We're getting things like black cherry, black currant, dark plum, also sort of a tobacco, pipe tobacco spice to this wine. They all work beautifully together and are giving a really lovely structure to this wine that's going to be great with things on the grill. So we're thinking grilled brats, grilled steaks, even grilled veggies, grilled asparagus, eggplant, peppers. That dark charred note is really going to pair nicely with this dark fruit and full structured body. Cheers.